So over here you can see that I have two playlists and none of them have a description in them. Here you can see that it says add description. So to add in description to the playlist, first of all, you need to have videos in them. And having a description makes it much more easier for the audiences who want to watch videos and playlists to get to your videos. So to edit out the description of the playlist, I'm going to go around and click on edit in YouTube. And as long as you have videos added to them, then you can see that description section will have this edit description option right here. So over here, you can see that the character limit is 5,000. So you can go around and add in, let's say, description for the playlist. So you can go around and say, this is an example playlist created for a tutorial series. So you can go around and type this in, type in period as well, and press save, and a description is added, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here onto other playlists as well. So I'm going to go around onto my YouTube studio, and once I do that, I'm going to go around onto a, let's say for example, playlist right here, and you can see the description is there now. You can go around and click on edit in YouTube for the other playlist just like this as well, and under description you can click and say this is an example playlist with a bunch of royalty-free videos arranged in them. So just like this, you can see that I can add in description to the playlist right here to make them much more meaningful and let's say for example much more searchable as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.